हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर्स। सो पहला क्वेश्चन है, बाय लुकिंग एट अ प्लांट एक्सटर्नली कैन यू टेल वेदर अ प्लांट इज C3 और C4? व्हाई एंड हाउ? इसका आंसर है एक्सटर्नल मॉर्फोलॉजी डज नॉट नेसेसरीली डिफरेंशिएट C3 and C4 plants. C4 leaves are isobilateral, but all isobilateral leaves are not C4 in nature. Leaves of C3 plants are generally dorsiventral. C4 plants are tropical plants, while C3 plants occur in all zones of the earth. Many C4 plants are found in hot, arid, and saline habitat. Second question is, by looking at which internal structure of the plant can you tell whether a plant is C3 or C4? Explain. Answer is, internal structure of leaf can reveal whether it belongs to C3 or C4 plant. In C4 plants, a leaf has Cran's anatomy, where the undifferentiated mesophyll occurs in concentric layers around vascular bundles. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by a bundle sheath of large-sized green cells. The chloroplast of the bundle sheath cells are devoid of grana. They, however, contain starch grains. The chloroplast of the mesophyll cell are granule, and starch grains do not occur in them. In situ plants, bundle sheath cells are neither very large nor they contain chloroplast. Mesophyll is often differentiated into polycid and spongy parenchyma. All chloroplasts are granule and possess starch grains. The question 3 is, even though a very few cells in C4 plants carry out biosynthetic Kelvin pathway, yet they are highly productive. Can you discuss why? So the answer is, in C4 plants, biosynthetic Kelvin cycle occurs only in bundle sheaths. Despite few number of cells performing Kelvin cycle, C4 plants have a high rate of photosynthesis due to rapid supply of CO2 from all mesophyll cells taking part in initial carbon dioxide fixation. Second, sorry, absence of photorespiration due to absence of photolysis in bundle sheath cells. Third is rapid withdrawal of photosynthetes from the bundle sheath cells as they lie over the vascular bundles. Photosynthesis continues even when stomata are closed due to fixation of CO2 released through respiration. Question 4 is, Rubisco is an enzyme that acts both as carboxylase and oxygenase. Why do you think Rubisco carries out more carboxylation in C4 plants? So the answer is, Rubisco function as oxygenase only when there is a higher concentration of oxygen and lower concentration of CO2. Both the conditions do not occur in Rubisco containing bundle sheath. So both the conditions do not occur in Rubisco containing bundle sheath cells of C4 plants. They do not have photolytic evolution of oxygen. They receive a regular supply of CO2 even when the stomata are closed. Therefore, Rubisco of C4 plants function only as carboxylase. Question 5 is, suppose there were plants that had a high concentration of chlorophyll B but lacked chlorophyll A. Would it carry out photosynthesis? Then why do not why do plants have chlorophyll B and other accessory pigments? So the answer is, chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis because only its special molecule function as reaction centers, that is photosystem 70 and photosystem 680, P700, P680. Reaction centers convert light energy into a chemical energy. That reaction centers convert light energy into chemical or electron energy. Photosynthesis is therefore absent in all plants lacking chlorophyll A. So the photosynthesis is therefore absent in plants lacking chlorophyll A. The importance of chlorophyll B and other accessory pigment is first absorption of light rays of different wavelengths and transfer of this energy to reaction centers through resonance. Second, protection of chlorophyll A reaction center from nascent oxygen and other destructive radicals. Question 6 is what is the color of leaf kept in the dark, frequently yellow or pale green? Which pigment do you think is more stable? Answer is a leaf kept in dark for long becomes yellow or pale green because of the disintegration of chlorophylls. Carotenoids, which provide yellow color to the leaf, are more stable. Question 7 is look at leaves of the same plant on the shady side and compare it with the leaves on the sunny side, or compare the potted plants kept in the sunlight with those in the shade. Which of them has leaves that are darker green? Why? So the answer is shaded leaves are dark green while the sun exposed leaves are tinged light green due to two reasons. First is photooxidation of chlorophyll in bright light and its non non-oxidation in shade region. Second is orientation of chloroplast in vertical files along the walls in strong light and their irregular arrangement in shades. Question 8 is figure shows the effect of light on the rate of photosynthesis. Based on the graph, answer the following question. A. At which point A, B or C in the curve is a light limiting factor? B. What could be the limiting factor in the region A? C. What do C and D represent on the curve? First is this this graph is showing the rate of photosynthesis and light intensity. The answer is A. Light is limiting in A and 50% of B. B. Light C का आंसर है C factor other than light like CO2 is limiting. D represent light saturation point under existing condition of other factors. So the question 9 is give comparison between the following C3 and C4 pathways. B. Cycling and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. C. Anatomy of leaf in C3 and C4 plants. Question is question of A. Comparison between C3 and C4 pathway point. So friends, these are in book.